Hello everyone, in this video I will explain you 21 the most powerful functions that you should know about this function. Okay, these are very useful functions, formulas in MS Excel. Okay, to use it will be useful in daily life whenever you are working at the office or wherever you are working and using MS Excel. So you should know about these functions. Okay, I will explain you just in a few minutes. Okay, and watch video until the end so you will understand about the usage of all these functions in formulas. So let's get started. The first formula function is that VLOOKUP. Okay, it means vertically lookup. It means to search for something vertically. Okay, whenever you have a list of data records, you would like to search in that. Okay, you would like to look of that. Okay, so look for something, so we will use VLOOKUP. I will show you the usage of this. For example, now in this data we would like to search, okay, based on ID. Okay, I would like to find the for example, age of the students. Okay, so to find the age of the student, first of all I will write name here, and here I will write age. In this cell I will just write ID. Okay, I will write the ID. I will just find the age based on ID. So to find that, for that, first of all, let's use equal to VLOOKUP function. After that, the first property is that lookup value. We would like to search in this field. You can search automatically directly the cell also here. Okay, the ID, but I will search in this cell. Okay, so I will select this one, comma, then table array. Okay, select your data. After selecting your data, comma, then in which column, okay, which data you would like to find. We want to find the age of this ID based on that ID. Okay, so to find the age, we will write the number of the column. This is the first column, the ID, the name is second, and the age is third column with us. So we will write here third column, comma, here we have true and false value. True means approximately match and false means exact match. Let's write 0, close it, and press enter. So now let's search, okay, something based on, for example, the 6 number ID. Let's find the age of this Jennifer Taylor. Okay, so let's write 6 here, press enter. See, the age of this student is 17. Let's write here 10, for example. That is also 17. Okay, for this student. So now let's write the first one. Okay, the second one. Okay, for the second, that is 16. So the age of that student is 16. This was the usage of VLOOKUP function that we can use. The HLOOKUP is the same, but it is looking horizontally. Okay, it is searching horizontally. For example, your data is in this format. Okay, you would like to search in this data. Okay, so for in this time we are using HLOOKUP. Okay, to search horizontally. Let's write HLOOKUP. Lookup value where you would like to search. For example, we want to search in this field. We will write our searchable data here, comma, then table array. So let's select our table array. After that, comma, then row index number. Now we are searching horizontally. Okay, we will specify the row number. For example, we are finding the name based on ID. Okay, so we will write the first row, the second row, 2. After that, 0 for exact match. Close it. Okay, now let's write here the ID. For example, the third student, based on third ID, find the name. Okay, write 3, enter C, Mitchell Brown. Let's write 5, enter C, David Martins. So this is how we can search, use VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP functions. Now just come here to the this one. Okay, to the average. We will use the average, then I will come down. Okay, I move horizontally. That the order is not matter. Okay, so let's move to the average one. So to find the average, for that, let's come here to the data. For example, we have this data for the student. We have marks, math, chemistry, and biology. Okay, we want to find the average for these students. So let's write equal to average. After opening the brackets, just select these 3 fields, math, chemistry, and biology. Find the average for these students and press enter. So the average for this student is 62. Okay, so let's like 83 for this one, 77 for this one. This was the average function, okay, that we have used. Now let's come here to the count. Okay, so count means that it will count as the cells. Okay, the cells which contain number, just number. Okay, so for example, just come here again here. Let's write equal to count, open the bracket, select all this data. Okay, it will just count as the cell which contains number 2, 4, 6 in these 3, 6, 18. We have 10 cells which contains number. Okay, so the count is used to count as the cells which contain number. Index. Index and match, we will use these two functions at the same time together. Okay, the index is used to find the value, but the match is used to find the position. Okay, the match is extracting for us the position, the index is the value based on that position. So let's use these two. Okay, let's move to the sheet 4. Here we have this business related data. Okay, yeah, here I will use the index and match. Here I will search based on product, and here I will find the sale for that. Okay, so let's in this cell write first of all equal to index function. Okay, open the bracket, then our array, we want to find the cell in your data. Which data you would like to find, you should select that column. Okay, we want to find the sales. Okay, so select your sales data. After selecting that, then we will use comma and match function. Open the bracket for match function. For the match function lookup value, we would like to search here, or we can directly select a data here, a product here. Okay, so I will search here. Okay, let's select this one, comma lookup array, we want to search based on product. Okay, so I will or we can search for based on name. Okay, I will insert name and I will find sale for that name. Okay, for that user. So after selecting that, then 0. Okay, exact match, close it, press enter. Now let's write here, for example, for the Salim. Okay, press enter. So the sale for Salim is 5,000. Let's write, for example, Arif. Okay, that is for Arif we have 1200. So that is how we can use index and match together. Okay, to find as we did for the lookup value, it is also used to find something. Okay, based on like search. Okay, it is used like that. Now let's move to the find function. Okay, to find something. For example, you would like to search in this cell. Okay, you want to find something in this cell. Okay, you want to find this Anderson. Okay, copy this, use it, copy. You would like to search in a cell. Okay, so find text, Control V. I want to find this text inside this cell. Close it, press enter. So that is a 9. The location is 9th. Okay, from left side, that is a 9th location. You can search something in a cell. Okay, now let's move to the proper function. Okay, the proper function is used to change the text to proper. Okay, to proper. Okay, to just capital letters. So let's do it where, yeah, here I will do it. Okay, for example, let's do it equal to proper. Open that, and here search this. It will change all this text to proper. Okay, to capital letters. The proper method is used, okay, to change to capital letter, camel case. Okay, the camel, the first character of every word will be capital. So for that, we have something like this. Okay, let's increase the size. See, this is not a capital. Okay, let's now do it. Okay, I will use equal to proper for this. Proper and tab, open that, select this text. What it will do, it will change the first character of every word, okay, to capital letter. So this was the usage of proper. Now let's use the concat function. We have used the match, now we will use concat. Okay, concat is used to just combine two characters, two cells. Okay, the text of two cells. Concat. Okay, open it. For example, we want to join these two, ID, comma, the second, how many characters cells you would like to combine, so you can select them, press it. See, those two are combined with each other. Now let's use F. Okay, the F, let's move to the sheet, yeah, to this third sheet, and here I will use the F. Okay, so I would like to find the result. I will just write here if the average was greater than 70, the average was greater than 70, so right here pass, else fail. This is the usage of just based on a condition you would like to. Okay, this is a conditional statement that you would like to use. Okay, you can write nested if statement also. For example, if the this average was greater than 70, then use another if here. If that was greater than 80, write this. If that was greater than 90, write for example B. If that was greater than A, write A If that was greater than 80, write B like this. You can use nested if also. See, this is failed because the average is lower than 70. Let's drag it down. These two are fast with us. So this is the usage of if. Now let's use trim. Trim is used to remove extra spaces from character from a cell. Okay, for example, here we have extra spaces. Okay, let's remove it first of all. For example, this is cell with us. We have extra spaces here. Okay, at the start, at the end, and between these characters. Okay, we have extra spaces, so I would like to remove that. Okay, for that I will use equal to trim function. Let's select this one, close it, enter. See the extra spaces between. Here we had 2 or 3, here we had 2 3 spaces, but it has decreased just to 1 spaces, unused spaces. Also from the start and from the end it will remove spaces. Now let's use the subtotal function. Okay, the subtotal function is used as we are using the sum function. Okay, the sum and the subtotal function, these two are equal, but I will show you the difference. Okay, first of all, let's come here to the this sheet. Okay, to the business related data, I will use here the subtotal. Okay, let's write here subtotal, for example, equal to subtotal. Sorry, I should just subtotal. Okay, press enter, tab, and after that select oh sorry, I should use it. I will just find the sales data. Okay, I will select the sales data and press enter. You enter a few arguments, so let's remove this. Here I will use subtotal, and here I will select this data, press enter. You have entered a few arguments for this function. So equal to subtotal. Here we will first of all select for which purpose you would like to use the subtotal, which function. We should select here a function. Okay, for example, average, count, max, which one we would like to use. We would like to use per sum. Okay, we will select here this one, or we will just write 9. Okay, because that is a 9th number, the sum function, comma, then we will select our data, this sales data, close it, press enter. So now that we have found the total, okay, 22,400. This is the total of this sales. But the task of subtotal is, this task could be done by some function also. But why we are using subtotal? So now I will show to you. Okay, let's apply first of all filter on this table, data filter. Okay, let's filter data based on department. Okay, this is department. Let's filter it. Okay, uncheck, we want to find just the electronic. Okay, so what the subtotal is do, if we were used the sum function, let's use the sum function also. Okay, first of all I will show you the sum function also, then I will show you the difference. This is sum function. Okay, sum sub, okay, equal to sum, and let's select the data, close it, press enter. Now I will show to you the difference. Let's filter it based on department, just electronic, press OK. So see, sorry, what happened to this? Why I can't see the total? Let's filter it based on press OK. So see now, okay, the sum is to 22,400. That is the same, but the subtotal value has decreased. It will just show the data which we see on the screen. Okay, that we have filtered, we will not see the data of that. We will just see the calculation, the sum of these values which are appeared on the screen. Okay, this is the difference between sum and the subtotal. Now let's move to the left. Okay, left function. Okay, the left function is used to just extract character from left side. Okay, for example, we want to extract data from this cell. Okay, let's write equal to left extract, for example, from this text the first 3 character. Okay, close it, press enter. See, just 3 character. Now let's use round. Round is used to generate as random or random value for us. Okay, round. Just if we write empty parenthesis, so it will generate between 0 and 1 a random value for us. Okay, so what it will do, number between 0 comma 1. Okay, press enter. So that is 0 equal to round 3 between 10. Okay, between these two 10. Okay, it will just generate us. The round function is used to round the numbers. For example, in this sheet we have this decimal 5 decimal points. Okay, we would like to decrease it. Okay, so to decrease it, for that we are using equal to round the number. Okay, comma, for example 2, press enter. Okay, we will wrap this value inside the round function. Okay, so it will just round our value to like this. Okay, 62.67. Okay, whenever we are generating average, we will wrap our whole function inside this round, so it will then round our data. Just come here now to the if error. It means that sometimes we face with error. Okay, whenever we are doing a calculation, so we are facing with error. For example, equal to 10 divided by 0. Sometimes in our calculation we face with error. So whenever you want to remove the error in your table, in your data, so use this function first. Okay, write like this in your table, equal to error, then write your function inside this, but I will select now this cell. Okay, to show to you. Okay, comma, if there was an error, so display me error, just error, instead of this div equal to by 0. Okay, instead of that show me error. Okay, press enter. See, it means that here is error. If there is no error, let's remove now the error. See, it showed us the 10. If there was any error, so it will display then the error to us. Use it in your table, in your data. Come here to the upper. What upper will do, it will change these characters to uppercase like this, equal to upper. Select your cells, your data, so it will change to uppercase. And the sumf function. Now let's use the sumf function. So to use the sumf function, let's move to this sheet. Okay, sheet 4, and here we would like to find the sum for mouse and computer. Okay, we have independent rows for different user. We want to find the sum of these mouse and computers. Okay, mouse and computer. So to find the sum for them, let's use the sumf function. Okay, this is the sumf function is used based on a condition, true or false. Okay, based on 1 or 2 or 3 conditions, equal to sumf. First of all, let's our range. Okay, let's select this range. Okay, our product, and after that our criteria is this mouse. Okay, let's select mouse comma, then our sum range. Okay, sum ranges, we want to find the cell for that. Okay, or we can find the quantity also, but we will find the cell for that. Okay, close it, press enter. So for mouse we have 1100. Okay, mouse 300, again mouse 300, 600, again mouse 500, 1100. Now let's drag this function down. Okay, for the computer we have just 0y computer, the spelling is same. So let's do it. Here we have D5 to D16. Oh, we didn't select the first one. Okay, we should select the from D4. Okay, that's why we didn't fetch that data. Okay, so let's do it again. D4 to D16. From D4 to D16, here we should select H. Here, just come here, H4. Okay, H4, that is okay. Now 5000. Okay, for the computer we have 5000 cell, just we have once. So that is if you would like to use some ifs function, we have two functions. Okay, equal to, I will show to you. Some if and some ifs. Some ifs is used based on multiple conditions, but some if is used just on one condition, one criteria that we have used right now. Now let's use the lower. Lower function is used to change the letters to lower characters. Okay, equal to, close it, press enter. So it has changed. Now let's use length. It is used to find the length of a cell. Equal to length, open the parenthesis, select a cell, close it, press enter. So this is the length of this cell. Now let's see right. Right is used to extract the character from right side. As we have used the left, we can use the text comma, for example, first 5 character. See the from the right side the 5 characters. Now is used just to show us the date. Okay. Increase the size of this time and date. It will display the time and date for us. So it was all about these 21 functions in MS Excel which we have used. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.